Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X plus y is equal to 5, xy is equal to 20. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. X plus y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 2, let us make x the subject of the formula. S is equal to 20 over y. Let us call this equation 3. And from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Let us substitute for x. We have 20 over y plus y is equal to 5. Now let us multiply the whole of this equation by y. Here will be 20 over y multiplied by y plus y multiplied by y is equal to 5 multiplied by y. This y cancel this y. We have 20 plus y squared is equal to 5y. Let us equate everything into 0. We have 20 plus y squared minus 5y is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Y squared minus 5y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 20. Y is equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20 over 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 5. This is 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square, 25 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20. That is 80 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Y is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 80. That is minus 55 over 2. And this is the same thing as 5 plus or minus square root of 55 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Y is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I root 55 over 2. Therefore, y1 is equal to 5 plus I root 55 over 2, and y2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2. These are the values of y. We've gotten the values of y. Let us solve for x. To solve for x, from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Then s is equal to 5 minus y. Let us call this equation 4. S1 will be equal to 5 minus y1 is 5 plus I root 55 over 2. S1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus I root 55 over 2. S1 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2. This is the value of x1. And s2 is equal to 5 minus y2. S2 is equal to 5 minus y2 is 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2. S2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus I square root of 55 over 2. S2 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55 over 2. This is the value of S2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 minus I root 55 over 2, 5 plus I root 55 over 2. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 5 plus I root 55 over 2, 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 5, sy is equal to 20. Let us make use of either s1, y1 or s2, y2. Now let us consider this. S plus y, this is 5 plus I square root of 55 over 2 plus 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2 must be equal to 5. LCM here is 2. We have 5 plus I square root of 55 plus 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2 must be equal to 5. This cancels this. Then we have 5 plus 5. This is 10 over 2 must be equal to 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Now let us consider this. XY, this is 5 plus I square root of 55 over 2 multiplied by 5 minus I square root of 55 over 2 must be equal to 20. Let's open this bracket. 5 times 5, this is 25, minus 5 times I root 55, this is 5I square root of 55, plus I root 55 times 5, this is 5I square root of 55, plus I root 55 times minus I root 55, this will be minus I square, then square root of 55 square must be equal to 20 over 2 times 2, that is 4. This cancel this. We have 25 minus I square is minus 1, minus 1, multiply by this, cancel this, we have 55, must be equal to 20, then over 4 here. Now this is 25, minus times minus 1, that will be plus 1, multiply by 55 over 4, must be equal to 20. And this is same thing as 25 plus 1 times 55, that is 55, that is 80 over 4, must be equal to 20. 4 here 1, 4 here 20, therefore the left hand side 20 is equal to the right hand side 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.